Hello and welcome. We are currently in Kigali, Rwanda. Finally, this is the safest and cleanest city in the world. If it's not, let me just know in the comment section below, but it should be the cleanest and the safest city in the world. Yeah, after around 36 hours on the road, we're finally here. So let's explore. And when I mean clean, so far I've not seen even a sweet wrapper anywhere, not at all. So let's explore Rwanda. Yes, hello. Unataka kuingia? This is part of the family. Yes. This is part of the team. We're becoming friends, from strangers to friends. Yeah, so let's explore Kigali together. Yeah, and see what Rwanda has for us from Kigali all the way to the south and back home. Karibuni. So this is currently the BK Arena, that's the old stadium. The new one, I'll just post it right here. The one that is currently ongoing construction. We're currently at the Lovers Corner. Currently it's where people come to relax. This whole area and the safety. You're very, very safe. Any? If you are Nairobian, you understand. Currently, we're outside. I'm using the phone, and no one is actually bothered. Then this place is just on another level. When you talk about structures and hashtag inner work, this is the place to Delhi. Everything is working. The structures, the cleanliness, the roads, the safety. Oh my, just superb. Yeah. So let's take some photos over here at the Kigali Lovers, whatever. Then, yeah, we call it a night and see what's up for tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hello and good morning. We are at the Kigali Genocide Memorial Center. If you know the history of Rwanda, you understand that the genocide is part of their heritage or something that they are known for. And actually, when you're here, you're not supposed to mention about the genocide or the Hutu or Tutsi, because the genocide is still rather fresh in their mind, so you shouldn't mention anything about those three. Yeah, so we've come to learn a bit about that. We may not take a lot of pictures inside, but there are designated areas where you can take photos and videos when you're here, but more or less you're not allowed to take too many photos around the genocide area. So let's wait and explore the genocide or the history of it. Brent, the photographer. Brent, your photography pages?
Brent Focus Photography.
Brent Focus Photography. Ameji Market. Yeah, so let's see what the history or the culture of what happened during the genocide is. So we're finally done. There's a lot to learn. You cannot take any photo or video inside, so a point for you to come and learn a lot about the history and what happened and how they have navigated through it to the development that they have currently. Yeah, so let's look at the next destination. Hello. The rest. Can you introduce yourselves?
My name is Miss Pose.
And I'm Jesse. Next, you were introducing as you walk.
Hi guys, my name is T.
Hey, my name is
Clarissa, handsome guy. Kenyan handsome guy. There's a market.
Guys, who can get us this?
The jeeps. Sell yourselves.
but because of the management, the big management and the investors, they were supporting genocide. Still, the people who managed to pay, they were killed, and others refused to pay.
Good morning after a lovely night. That night after the massage was spectacular. So now we are starting the day with a bit of the Kigali tour. We did half of it on the first day, then the other half today when we are about to leave. So we are starting with the Kigali Rwanda Art Museum, where the previous president used to live. But currently there's a new status where now the current president lives. Yeah, so let's see what is there in the Kigali Art Museum before we go to the market and get some souvenirs. Then we've also seen the the famous Rwanda hotel, where a lot of people died during the genocide while they were hiding in the hotel. Yeah, which is so famous. You can read a lot about it online. You can Google, but we've been able to see it. So let's see what the art museum has for us in store. So we have done the Rwanda Art Museum. Unfortunately or fortunately, we couldn't see the museum because they're opening a new one today. Today is 17th. Yeah, they're opening a new one today. So actually we haven't seen much, but we're going to the parliament where we'll see more of the artifacts and all that. Then, so over here we've just seen the aircraft that the president died in before the genocide. That was on 6th of April 1994. So we saw the aircraft, but it's just the parts. Then you can't take any photos inside or videos, so a reason for you to come. Yeah, so make sure you come and experience it on your own. Yeah, and see all that. So this was our host in Rwanda, Clarice, the beautiful Clarice, Clara, all that. So yeah, Clarice, you can tell them something, and then the tall one.
I have been to Clarice.
But yeah, he also does transfers and transport. So you can tell them, tuko mkubwa, sijui wekele juu, ungeshika hiyo kamera.
Experience being in Rwanda. Come all to Kigali to see Rwanda, country of thousand hills and a million of smiles.
Yes, come to Rwanda. We will help you, me and Clarice. We are tour guides in Rwanda, and we'll be glad to take you around Rwanda. Thank you so much.
What do you do in Kenya?
No, I'm from Rwanda.
Yeah.
Bye.
Clarice, what is your company in Rwanda?
My company is Eco-Conscious Tours.
Eco-Conscious. You have had it, and she's very nice, very patient.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll give you her number somewhere here. So we are now at the market. Maybe this is the bus where we were in. Very comfortable. It has enough legroom space, some ACs over here. Like, it was just very comfortable. So we are now going to the market to see what they do in the market and to get the souvenirs. So let's go. So we go to the market. There is Kitilio. Kwambia omera pesa. Ish. You are ready?
Yes, I am very ready. My name is Mark Moriti. I am from basically your executive transfers. Happen to have won this t-shirt today. So for all your executive transfers, such buses, Mercedes, Prados, V8s, feel free to reach out to us. Why are you cutting me short today? Don't you want them to
I am short. I am interrupting your video.
So we're having a good time in Rwanda, and you guys need to also check out Kigali Travels and be rest assured to get the best of the best. Thank you.
Yeah, so we go to the market and buy a few things here and there. This is the largest market. It's called Kimirongo market. So we'll see what we can get. Mostly something that is native to Rwanda. But so far these are what they have. Oh, 5K. Oh, 5K, the only highest currency. Then the rest is on matutu. For now. Okay, actually. This section, bags na mafuta. Na
the modern clothing.
Oh, see exactly what we'll find in Sili. That is my new feeling. The market is so clean as well, and it's a market. Hey, they are so clean. This is a market, very, very clean. Just a few things here and there, but they are so clean. They have the Rwanda things.
This is a bag. Yes.
This is Rwandan things. Where is the fan? The Rwandan fan, yes. How much? Do you have bigger than this or just this? How much is this? Here, so that is t-shirt.
Yeah, t-shirt and short. It's a complete.
It's a complete set.
Yes.
How much is that? No, this is fully Rwandan.
This one is a Rwanda.
This is Rwandese. No, it is the Rwandese style.
Yeah, this one is a Rwandese.
And no, this one is the one that I needed. The orange one.
Orange?
Yes, where is the orange one? That one. But I want now in small. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
But in small. Yes, I want that in medium. Sorry, in medium. Yeah, in medium for that. Now for that. Yeah, but it's too long, my friend. Very long.
It's a long?
Yes.
Yeah, this one is a medium.
That's a medium.
Yeah.
So finally we are done with the market. One thing is you need to bargain. Reason being, especially as a Kenyan, or if your currency is higher than the Rwandese currency, they might overcharge you. So bargain. When you are there, they'll give you good rates. Yeah, and they're friendly, and the market itself is very, very clean. So currently we are at the Parliament Museum. I don't know whether we'll manage to enter because they close at 4 and it's already 4. So we'll see. And I'm not sure if they'll allow us to take photos, considering so far what I've noted is anywhere where there's a history about the genocide or anything related to that, you're not allowed to take any photos like while you're there. So it's just about you learning the history and all that. So yeah, let's see. If not, after this we'll just go for maybe lunch, then start our journey back to Kenya, basically. We are inside. You can only take photos on this part, the reception, and then over here we have everything that you can visit while you're here to learn about the culture and the history of Rwanda. So basically this is the only part where you can take photos or videos while you're here. The rest forbidden. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. We'll see you in Kenya. So this is, we are in the museum in Parliament. So here is where a lot of people hid the RPA. So when you come and read the history, you'll learn more about the RPA and how they were the ones who are trying to stop the war. So this is where they hid apparently, and this one of these mountains was the one that was captured during that history moment. So there's a lot for you to learn, right? I not explain all of it, but there's a lot. then over there, that's where the guards used to hide. Yeah, so that they can see the government of the time. So there's a lot for you, a lot to learn that is from here. So it's advisable for you to come and learn, because there are things which you cannot actually mention unless you're actually here to learn on your own. Yeah.